Have you ever wondered how the Grader 140H ejection pump works? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to the fascinating world of the Grader 140H ejection pump. This isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and a crucial element in the construction industry. But what is it exactly? Simply put, the Grader 140H ejection pump is a device designed to manage fluid waste on construction sites. Imagine you're working on a major construction project. You're dealing with a lot of waste materials. If not managed appropriately, these waste materials can become a significant problem, hindering progress and causing safety hazards. This is where the Grader 140H ejection pump comes in. It's akin to the unsung hero of the construction world. It works behind the scenes, ensuring that your construction site remains clean, efficient, and most importantly, safe. The Grader 140H ejection pump is like the silent conductor of an orchestra, coordinating the movement of waste fluids with precision and efficiency. It's designed to withstand the rugged conditions of a construction site, making it a reliable and durable partner in your construction endeavors. But what makes it so special? Well, it lies in its unique design and functionality. The Grader 140H ejection pump is not just about removing waste. It's about doing so in a way that's efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly. It's about ensuring that even in the midst of construction chaos, there's a system in place to manage the byproducts effectively. So the next time you see a construction site, remember the Grader 140H ejection pump. Remember the silent conductor, orchestrating a symphony of efficiency and safety. Now that you know what the Grader 140H ejection pump is, it's time to dive into its inner workings. The Grader 140H ejection pump may seem complex, but it operates on some simple principles. At the heart of the Grader 140H ejection pump lies a basic mechanism that's designed for efficiency and durability. The pump's operation is divided into two primary phases, the intake and ejection process. Let's start with the intake process. As the name suggests, this is where the pump takes in material. The pump uses a powerful suction mechanism to draw material into the intake pipe. This is achieved through a motor that generates a vacuum, creating a pressure difference that draws material into the pump. Next, we have the ejection process. Once the material has been drawn into the pump, it's time to eject it out. The same motor that created the vacuum now pushes the material out of the pump through an ejection pipe. Now, you might be wondering how the pump switches between these two processes. Well, that's where the pressure system comes in. The pressure system is a vital component of the Grader 140H ejection pump. This system ensures that the pump can switch between intake and ejection modes smoothly and efficiently. The motor plays a central role in this entire operation. It's responsible for creating the vacuum during the intake process and for pushing out the material during the ejection process. The motor's capacity and speed determine the pump's performance and efficiency. But the motor isn't just about power and speed, it's also about precision. The motor needs to maintain a delicate balance between the intake and ejection processes to ensure that the pump operates optimally. Too much pressure during the intake process could damage the pump, while too little pressure during the ejection process could affect the pump's performance. In essence, the Grader 140H ejection pump is a marvel of engineering that combines power, precision, and efficiency. It's a testament to the ingenuity of human invention and a vital tool in the world of construction. Understanding the mechanism of the Grader 140H ejection pump is crucial not only for operating it but also for troubleshooting. Like any other piece of machinery, the Grader 140H ejection pump may encounter issues. Knowing how to troubleshoot can save time and resources. Now you might be wondering, what are the common issues that may arise with the Grader 140H ejection pump? Well, let's dive into that. One common issue is the pump failing to eject material. This could be due to a blockage in the system, or it could be a result of a mechanical failure, such as a broken impeller. If you're facing this issue, start by checking for blockages. If everything is clear and the problem persists, it's time to inspect the pump's mechanical components. Another common issue is the pump overheating. This can often be traced back to a lack of lubrication. Make sure to regularly check and refill the pump's oil reservoir to prevent this. If the pump continues to overheat despite adequate lubrication, it's possible that the motor is malfunctioning and may need to be replaced. Now, let's talk about preventive maintenance. It's important to remember that regular maintenance can significantly prolong the life of your Grader 140H ejection pump. Firstly, keep an eye on the pump's filters. A clogged filter can reduce the pump's efficiency and lead to other problems down the line. Regularly check and clean the filters to ensure the pump operates at its best. Next, make sure to regularly lubricate the pump's moving parts. This can help prevent wear and tear and reduce the risk of overheating. Remember, a well-lubricated pump is a happy pump. Also, don't forget about inspecting the pump's seals. A worn or damaged seal can lead to leaks, which can cause serious damage to the pump and potentially your work site. Replace any damaged seals as soon as you spot them. Lastly, make sure to regularly inspect the pump's electrical connections. Loose or corroded connections can cause the pump to malfunction or even fail entirely. Tighten any loose connections and replace any corroded ones to keep your pump running smoothly. In conclusion, troubleshooting and preventive maintenance are key to ensuring the longevity and reliability of your Grader 140H ejection pump. By regularly inspecting and maintaining your pump, you can identify and fix issues before they become serious problems, saving you valuable time and resources in the long run. And remember, troubleshooting isn't just about fixing problems as they arise. It's also about understanding how your pump works and how to keep it working at its best. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and dive into the inner workings of your Grader 140H ejection pump. Remember, a well-maintained Grader 140H ejection pump is a valuable asset on any construction site. So what have we learned about the Grader 140H ejection pump today? Well, firstly, we've unraveled the mystery behind this crucial piece of machinery. The Grader 140H ejection pump is not just another component, it's the heart of any construction site. By powering the grader, it plays a pivotal role in shaping and leveling the ground, setting the stage for all subsequent construction work. Without it, the grader is just a massive hunk of metal. With it, the grader becomes a sculptor, turning rough terrain into a canvas ready for construction. Next, we delved into the inner mechanics of the Grader 140H ejection pump. We learned that it's an intricate system, a perfect blend of power and precision. The pump operates by creating a high-pressure flow of hydraulic fluid, which in turn powers the grader's blade. It's like the heart pumping blood to the muscles, providing the grader with the power it needs to shape the earth. But as with any machinery, things can go wrong. And that's where our third point comes in, troubleshooting and maintenance. We've discussed common issues that can arise with the Grader 140H ejection pump, from leaks and blockages to mechanical failures. More importantly, we've explored how to identify these issues and the steps to rectify them. Regular maintenance, including checking for wear and tear, cleaning and timely repairs, can extend the life of the pump and ensure it operates at peak efficiency. Remember, having a well-functioning Grader 140H ejection pump is not just about efficiency, it's about safety. A faulty pump can lead to accidents on the construction site, putting lives at risk. So taking care of your Grader 140H ejection pump is not just a good practice, it's a responsibility. With this knowledge, you can operate, troubleshoot, and maintain a Grader 140H ejection pump effectively, making your construction site more efficient and safe. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Making sure your construction site is a well-oiled machine ready to take on any project that comes its way. That's it for today's in-depth look at the Grader 140H ejection pump. We've peeled back the layers, dived into the mechanics, and explored troubleshooting and maintenance. We hope you found this journey as fascinating as we did. Let's keep the conversation going. If you know someone who'd appreciate this deep dive, don't hesitate to share it. It's all about the spread of knowledge after all. And don't forget, we're always here to explore more topics, answer your questions, and delve into the mechanics of the tools that make our world work. So, drop a comment. Let us know what other mysteries you'd like us to unravel. What other tools or processes would you like to understand better? We're all ears and ready to take on your challenges. Remember, understanding your tools is the key to success. Thanks for watching and see you next time.